This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got 3 self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
You just have one foot forward, just like you're walking. Have your rear hand up. When you do an eye jab, you don't want each finger going to each eye, okay? Put your fingers together. There's strength in numbers. The key to an eye jab is that you're loose. Your wrist is loose, and you're just flicking it. It's not a demonstrative move where you're yelling and screaming and key-eyeing, but you're just flicking. It's coming at a slightly backhanded angle. The first way I want you to do it is just get in front of the mirror and move around in front of the mirror and just kind of take a step forward and poke. It's a very simple motion. It's a very natural motion. Boom. I want you to do this over and over with both hands. Sometimes change your left lead. Try the same thing on your left hand. Boom. Slowly move around. Picture your opponent coming in. Picture flicking the eyes. The more times that you can picture that scenario in your head, and the more times that you picture him coming in and boom, you see the eyes. It's the quickest thing you can do to a person. It eliminates here and he takes off the other way. Okay, now, if you have a person here, what I'd like you to do for training is your training partner now. Your training partner is going to supply a target that you can actually hit. This is now a moving target. If you want, you can put little eyes on the hands. If you want, you can purchase a focus glove and use it. All he's going to do is he'll have the glove on, and I'm moving around, and boom, I get to actually flick at the glove a little bit. Sometimes we'll change the height, and I'm flicking it. That's all. Until now I'm actually doing it on a target. So you get used to having a slight angle when you hit, and you're not coming straight on this way, so we don't hurt our fingers. Now our third way of training is to actually do it on our opponent, our person, our friend. Okay? You don't want the fingers going directly into the eyes. For training, just keep them pointed up, kind of just touch the eyebrow. A good way to train this is, Carlos, you can just walk up to me slowly and then just, boop, I just touched the face. As soon as he comes up, boom. Just to get that feeling of, boom, going into the eyes. Your first response is not to make a fist and hit him. It's just going to piss somebody off. As opposed to that, as soon as he comes in, boom, flick the eyes and run the other way. This is what's going to get the reaction we want. This will take out a big man.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
When a big guy like Bob comes on you, it's an ugly feeling. First of all, if you had the mindset to see him coming with his hands up, stop him. Stop him, get right into his face. Again, you saw it happen. He's getting ready to bulldog. Stop him. But most likely that won't happen because you don't walk around looking for people that are going to grab you by the throat. You're going to be talking to someone, all of a sudden, he's by the throat, he's choking you half to death. This is what's going to happen to you. This is what's going to happen to you. And he's choking here, and your mindset's going to go to your hands. Forget it. This is where the weapons come out. This is where the weapons come. Pen's already in his throat. No one survives a pen in the throat. No one. No one. From here. If he had a pen in his jacket, I'd take his pen. Coming forward on this man here. Coming forward on this person. I'd be extremely upset staying with this man. If for some reason he caught me by the throat, boom, he's got locked up and he's got long arms, which Bob doesn't, I can get into Bob's face. You're going to see me shoot up. Never. Here's another. Never. I never do. As soon as I strike his arms, he's going to get madder and stronger. Everything's soft. He's fighting the shadow. This hand is just going to do this. It's just going to come up. It's going to let my shoulder turn. He's killing me. The guy's killing me. You're here. Just touch, turn straight into his face. You're letting me back into this man. Mindset again. There's 2 people. He slammed me up against the wall. I didn't catch it. You got this guy off. You're getting this guy off, but he's a shield. He's a shield. He's got a blade or whatever. Take it to where you have to take it. You must keep that mindset. Maybe there's 3 people or whatever, but you're going to have to look at that. One of the worst things you're going to find, people, big guys, they love to just slam you up against the wall, make you look good, and that fist is going to come up here. You got a half second, folks. You got a half a second, because he hits me with that, it's all over for me. Your mindset is to take the man out. Don't mess with his fist. Is this move from here? As you're looking, you get ready to throw that punch, you're in his face here. You're just grabbing here. Striking as hard as you can. I don't care about, you got a second. He's getting ready to go. You're in his face here. Whatever this is going to be, you're looking at it. You're going to have to move. Don't worry about this. Don't think he throws a punch. that you're going to be here. Because now he is just going to crush you. He's going to kill you. And he's going to cock his hand back and punch you 3 or 4 times. And that's what's going to happen. You got to get to here. He throws it up. You'd be right in his face. You're right in his hair. Grab the softest things. Don't sit there and try to wrestle this man. You're not going to do it. Let's go with some misconceptions. He throws a punch. You're going to try knee lifts. I love when people say do knee lifts. People that throw knee lifts, by the way, I've trained the martial arts every day, and I ain't going to do nothing. I'm standing on one foot, he's killing me. Can't do that. You got to go with the softest things to make that work. This is when people attack you. They're not nice. They're not nice. They're ugly. Maybe you're at an ATM machine, and you're standing with your card. All of a sudden, just boom. You know, and if you want something, give it to him. But you don't have time to talk because he's choking your life away. You got to go. You got to go on this person. You got to decide what you're going to do. You want him off, watching for this other person out there. There are no rules. When you work with the training, as you watch this tape, I want you to create scenarios. I want you to come up with ways. Maybe it's happened to you. Maybe it's happened to your friends. Create things that work for you. As this guy grabs you, come up with a way. Maybe something happened to you. Maybe he had you by the stomach here and he had you up here like this. Create something that'll work for you. Maybe this has happened. But please don't fight his strength. Please don't think you're ever going to twist anything. Please don't ever think that you're going to get a joint lock, some kind of a joint lock. It's not going to happen, or an arm bar or a sweep. As long as you avoid those techniques, use what you have around you. Never use his body strength. He's fighting a shadow. He's happy. But I promise you, and you're here, and you're here, he's going, what the? Because your mindset is to fight the arms. You don't want to fight the arms. One of the things that we do in a tactical class, so many people are always striking as hard as they can, punching as hard as you can. As you watch this video, you're going to notice that we're just going to a little arm touch, a little strike to the throat, not very hard. But I promise you, if you touch the bicep, his direction's going to go there. You see me always touching the throat. This has just changed his attitude enough for his focus to go off for me to change things. As you've watched this tape, you notice there are no hard, jerking motions. Everything's soft. Everything's soft, quick, and into that person. Again, not waking the body up. I'm making his mind go where I want it to go, keeping it very, very simple.
Hey guys, make sure to like this video and let's get into the last tip. Here we go.
The ear slap's designed basically to compress the eardrum, possibly break it. There's 2 schools of thought of this. I lean towards the school of thought where we use the palm. Robert? Okay. Essentially, a lot of people will teach that you cup the hand this way, okay? And if you ever dipped your hands in the water and picked it up, you can't hold water with this. So you're really not getting the compression. So if you come in here and you slap there, you're not really gaining that much. You are delivering a slap to the head. When you're using the palm, what we're trying to do is put the ear right in the center of this palm. So when we come up and we slap them right there, and if you just go in your own ear and you put your palm there and you start pushing against the side, you can actually hear it here. Okay, that is where all that compression is. And if you come up and you slap them up alongside the ear with the palm of the hand, there's a good chance you're going to pop the eardrum. If you take your own hand and you put it against your ear and you do that, you're going to find that you don't feel it in your eardrum. It's not making the eardrum vibrate. So essentially with the ear slap, all you do is you slap across and it's going to move this person all the way over here. And it doesn't have to be a wind up from here. You can be here and just slap him up alongside the head, put that palm right up against the ear. And even right there, he can feel that compression in his eardrum. So I've always found that this technique, I mean, it's almost looks like a bitch slap. I prefer to use the palm of the hand.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.